Sony X90L versus the LG QNED86. Which mid-range TV is the better? So let's start with Sony. It is the 2023 mid-range 4K LED TV positioned above the Edge LED models, but below the Sony's Medi-LED and OLED flagship lines. It uses a full-array LED panel with local dimming, aiming for strong contrast, motion handling, and a smart TV. So let's talk about the pros. It offers a full-array LED with local dimming, which provides better contrast. It has a 120Hz native refresh rate, plus support for HDMI 2.1, VRR, and All-M. It also has the Sony's cognitive processor, XR, and image processing, and it offers strong smart TV platform. The cons is though, it is not a mini OLED. It offers HDR peak brightness, which is decent but not the top class, and the viewing angle has some limitations. Now the LG QNED 86 on the other hand is the latest mid to upper mid-range offering. It uses a mini LED, QNED backlight, and the newer processing which aims to deliver better contrast, color, and gaming features. So mini LED, it offers for the pros high refresh report which is 120Hz and often up to 144Hz. It also has a strong HDR support and it has a good selection of smart features. The cons though, it has the mini LED which makes it more expensive and it depends on the model itself and the brightness is not that very bright with the ambient lighting, which might challenge the contrast unless dimming zones are very good. So overall, if your priority is gaming and smoother motion and general cinematic performance, then choose the LG QNED AI or the LG QNED 86. But if you want a solid mid-range set that gives you excellent upscaling and excellent motion quality, then choose the Sony X90L series.